A blessed day. You know Tiff is not good at intros. Okay. So I am super excited because today we're going to do what seems to be pretty popular, a drunk makeup tutorial using wine. And if you've seen my type of wine, I don't F around. I do not F around. You hear? These seem to be pretty popular. Some people don't think so. However, we're going to do it because I love to drink wine. Grandma, if you're watching this, don't. Grandma finds out about this video, I will be taken out of the will. She will be very upset, and we just can't have that. She's just far too old to do that to her. So I have a straw because I don't want to keep like moving the glass in and out because it might I'm gonna curse a lot. I grabbed a straw just so my glass isn't up and down so that we don't lose like autofocus or anything. Effects that I already put on my face. This stuff is the blurring primer and it comes out. I'm so sorry. I have the start of what feels like bronchitis. Okay. I should call Tay and tell her I'm doing a drunk makeup tutorial. She asked how the gym went.
Hello.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Filming brush your teeth. I'm filming a YouTube right now.
Right now?
Right now. Hi. We're doing the drunk makeup tutorial.
What kind?
The drunk makeup tutorial.
You are?
Yeah, I'm one glass in. What do you think?
I don't know. We should on this Wednesday.
So true.
This is true.
Is there anything I should tell them?
Do you drink it with a straw?
Yeah. I already put my daughter to bed.
What kind of look are you gonna do?
Just your average Joe Schmo.
Okay.
Should I live a little?
They're not expensive. Like, they plug in your cigarette lighter, and I think they make good too. So.
Okay.
Let me think.
God bless. Text me.
I will. Bye.
Bye. The sweetest snap from my cousin. This was the sweetest snap I've ever seen in my life. Oh God. It's not the wine. This is the sweetest snap I've ever received. I got pumped up by my cousin. My cousin's name is Trey. He does so well. He's in college. The love of my life. Anywho, Taylor's egging me on. She's not snapping. She's texting. The wine is 13% and I'm drinking it quite fast, so give me a break. She thinks that I should give you guys a picture of something that I should recreate. She's so right. I hate, when your best friend's so right and you're just like, stop. You're so smart. I love you so much, but stop. No? Okay. You know what? I want to do something black and smoky because that scares me. Are you guys ready? That's what I pick for a drunk makeup tutorial? We better get started. Okay. Okay. We are going to prime our eyes with a concealer. Lord, help me. Lord. Oh. Hello. Let's do our eyebrows first because I feel a little bit naked. If this is focusing on and off, that's just part of a drunk makeup tutorial, people, because I don't have time. Oh, God, I don't have time. Okay, so we're going in. Oh, I was going to do my eyebrows. What happened to that? Just a hair tipsy. Okay, I'm definitely tipsy. I didn't eat anything. I just worked out. My husband's actually getting me food right now. This eyebrow pencil is the tits. Should we put the hair up? Is this okay? Guys, it has to be okay for now, okay? Okay, let's get the pickup. Okay, there's very dark browns. You know what? The Renaissance palette, I'm going to use that for sure. You watch and see. I'm going to make magic. I'm starting to feel it. I am really starting to feel it. Like, my grandma cannot watch this. She will be really upset. Like, she's very Christian. She likes us to follow the rules. But she's old school, and, like, God bless, we need more of her. Because then we would just, like, we would be better children of the Lord. Okay. Let's get the black on. I'm done effing around. Also, just a quick tip. Don't drink and drive. It's illegal. Don't do it. You have Uber now. You have your mom. You have best friends. You have coworkers. You can sleep in your car. Do not drink and drive. It's not worth it. The reason I never do black smoky eyes is I just don't think it looks good on me. But we're going to... Okay. Listen, Deborah. You cannot stop us. Okay, she has like a wing to her. Okay. Okay, so we're going in. Come on. She doesn't even have like a light inner corner of her eye, which is kind of crazy. What am I doing? I'm using that yellow color. Blendy blend. Blending is our friend. Taking the MAC 242. It's worn off. Can you see this? Move, you mirror. Good day, sir. To you, I say good day. So I'm definitely starting to feel it. On my second glass, and it's going fast. So let's shake her ass. All right, okay. All right, enough. Let's do our face. Why is the camera blinking? Ivy's been by my side this whole time. Do you think I'm doing okay so far? I'm not too drunk. Not as drunk as I usually am? Okay, stop tattling. Tiffany, what are you doing? Ivy, what are you doing behind the camera? I'm gonna have to pee. But not until I get this concealer set. This is an emergency. I really have a sinus infection again. Okay? My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. It's poppin'. It's poppin'. This isn't even wet. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's not even wet. We'll talk about that later. Please don't be mad at me, because, like, I don't know. Yes, sister, yes. Put in work. Do you guys get this drunk on wine? Is it 13%? Do you drink with a straw? Story time with Tiff. This is a Marc Jacobs Cocoa Deep, and it's a foundation. I use this to contour with my Ego Tools from Walmart. It was at TJ Maxx. Remember, we have to hide that double chin. I'm not going to go anywhere tonight. I'm not going to do anything but go to bed after this. Am I wasting the makeup? Would you be upset? Comment down below how you feel about this. Is any of my footage in focus? That's a good question. Stop burping. This is the Ulta fluffy brush from IT Cosmetics, but this is the one you can get off QVC. This is my clear powder. Like, this is my all over. This one is my Ulta. Okay, let's look at her again. Let's look at our ambition, because I feel like we're getting a little bit out of control. Let's rein it in. Why is there so much lipstick on my lips? That's a no-go. Neutrogena to the rescue. Yes, I used this to take off the tiny amount of makeup I had before this. I'm dead inside. Why would I do this? Okay, let's look at her. She has a very nude lip, very long bottom lashes, hardcore eyebrows, which I can get. I can back that for sure. Okay, how are you guys doing? Are you doing okay? Grab a glass with me because you're gonna need it to watch this. Okay, I just blackened it. Oh, hey. Speaking of Tay, she wants us to make this video. She left this.
When did this get here?
Did you guys see who did that? Was it me? I know I'm a lightweight. I don't care. Like, stop judging me. I know you girls wouldn't. So Tay left this blush set, trio palette, Snapdragon, Songbird, Wistera. What the hell is up with these names? It's from Becca. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. I actually love this. I'm doing that to bring the black underneath here. If you guys don't find me funny, no one ever will. So I need to give up. I need you to tell me in the comments, do I give up or do I keep going? Do I keep YouTubing or do I just live a normal life that's really easy? Because YouTubing actually takes like a lot of time and effort. Oh, I look like an actual army agent. Like, I gotta blend in. It's like camo. Shh. Yeah. Quiet. He says quiet. Oh, I'm bringing it way. Don't ever bring your highlight here, but always put it here. I feel so weird for wasting this product. If you hear noises, it's my husband out there. He's fine. He's alive. He's sober. He's the responsible one. Ooh. Let's put lashes on. Let's effing do it. Put that on the band like I taught you. Okay. And let it sit. Let it sit and bake. Let that lip gloss be popping on those titties. That's ridiculous. No. We're waiting on the lashes to set and get tacky. Okay, should I make it darker? Where's my eyeliner? Okay, this is what we're doing. What did I do? Oh. You should be able to get it no matter what. Let's put these lashes on. Have they sat long enough? I was doing my eyeliner so that... Oh, God. Is this okay? I don't know. You set them on the center. They're tacky. Come on. There's black, which... Makes it easier. No, not really. Like, I don't know. I don't know if these are on. I can't. Don't drink because you're gonna F up. Look at this makeup tutorial. Okay, well, it's already glued on, so F me. I'm gonna take this and just flop it around just because I can. I hope this video isn't such a total bust. Christmas is coming. We're all going to have a great time. Sober Tiff is going to hate this. Here's my Rainforest of the Sea sample. Because no one's going to support this. No one is going to send PR to this. Oh, it's so good. It actually tastes good. I'm not gonna lie to you. Sponge, she's out of control. She gets drunk, she does videos, but like, who cares? It's a normal life now. We are embracing you only live one time. Where's my effing sponge? I have to fart, but that would be rude. That would be so rude. Are these lashes even on? No, this corner's not. This is why I knew I should not do false lashes if I can't do them correct. Because we won't even get into it, but I should have done better on my false lash routine. Okay. Do I look anything like this? I don't like this look on me. What? Pretty Woman. We've been filming now for an hour. Gosh, thank God. I'm normal again. Half a face of makeup. Hello. Cheers.